2:3:7 blank. So ang problem na to ay simpleng ratio and proportion lang. So dahil ang mga choices ay 10, 10.5, 11, and 11.5. Okay, so set up natin ang equation natin. So we have 2:3. Yung is 2 palitan natin ng equal sign, and then we have 7:2 lagyan natin ng variable, let's say n. So apply natin yung rules sa proportion. Ang product ng extremes yung nasa sa kabilang magkabilang dulo. So we have 2n equals sa product ng means yung nasa gitna. So we have 3 times 7, that is equal to 21. So solve for n, divide both sides by 2. So divide lang natin ito manually. 21 divided by 2. So we have, since odd number, lagyan natin ng 0. So 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract, so that is 0. Bring down 1. 1 divided by 2, that is 0. Tapat natin yung decimal point dito. Then 0 times 2, that is 0. Subtract, so we have 1. Bring down 0, so we have 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Therefore, the correct answer is 21 divided by 2 is 10.5. Letter B. Follow for more.